Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I edit. This is a female, actually this is my wife singing. We are working on a lullaby and I'm going to show you how I edit her vocals. And this will be not a very long video, but I'll show you what to look for. So the one thing that I've already done is Shift P and then Control Shift P, and this is, I find an area now. Of course I'll open up a new one for you so you can see. Let's just take a random, open this one up, and what you want to do first now is lower the resolution, and you do that by Command Shift and then arrow down. So you lower the resolution so you see if the background noise is constant or not. That is a bit too much. Somewhere around here is good, and this area looks pretty good for a sample, and the length is good. So you go Shift P and then Command Shift P. Make sure that nothing is highlighted, and now I do 84% and 48.4 dB. I mean, this is up to you. You can pre-listen to see how the file is very quiet, this one, but still. So we apply it, or I apply it, and you see that the background noise is most of the room noise, and I don't have a nice room noise, so this is why I do this. When you listen now, we got rid of all of that. So what I am doing is some S's are too sharp, and of course I'm looking for mouth clicks. You can do the click, the auto click here. Problem is I have found that there are artifacts with the clicker. Yeah, let's see if we find it here. The clicker, yeah, and it doesn't always find them. So I'll show you what I find is the best technique anyway. They're very easy to identify. It's a vertical line. So I just go with the spot healing brush tool, and here is a very clear click. We can listen to this. You can see. You hear this is like one of those, and this one goes pretty low. So if I would just take away this part, the upper part, of course you have frequencies here and you have time here on this axis. Then you're going to hear the lower part of the click now. You can hear how my mouth is clicking when I'm talking. So you hear that one goes deep, that click. So that's why we clean it like that. I usually want a little bit higher resolution when I do this. Somewhere here is good. Then they really stand out, the clicks, but you still get some sense of the frequencies. And then I think we hear our little daughter somewhere in the background. I'm going to do a little bit about these things. These are details you don't have to do, but this is going to be a cappella version, so I feel like I really need to do it. Otherwise, if you have a full band, you're not gonna hear that little in the background. Maybe you don't hear it now at all even. Let's see where we have it. So it could be, I think this is too low, but I'm going to check it out what that can be. No, that's it. Okay, I'll just lower it with, I don't know, 20 dB. Now it's gone. And then we have I have a click in the L there that I don't like. You can hear that the T are clicking quite much, and of course I can go in and I can do this also. Just mark the beginning of it so I get a click, and then Command U, and you get that. I'm actually gonna do that because it helps a lot. Just like so. Those T becomes much softer now. I'm going to go back and do that. So that is a good thing. It's easy when you have a click that is very long on the vertical line. You just mark it like so, and you go Command U. I'll show you. This one, it's not so long, but I think we're gonna do it there anyway. So we can zoom in on this one and go. We have to go a little bit wide because otherwise it will not take the lower parts of this one. So here, Command U, and it's gone. There.
La la.
Okay, so
La la to la la.
Going to zoom in here again. Take away this breath. I don't know, what is this?
Farm.
Oh yeah, that's an F, so we need that one. But this I don't need.
Farmers can.
And this S you can hear. There is it's quite, and then there is a lot of dirt here. I can clean this fast now, just to. And the spot healing brush tool, you can see how it's magic. It just takes away all these, like this one. If we listen,
Farmers.
there is a there. And the reason why I'm doing this so thoroughly is because, of course, I'm going to most likely put a compressor on this, and what happens then? Well, then these noises that you don't hear much now, these things, they pop out, they come out. So might as well clean it up now, and then later on in the process they will not be heard.
Farmers can.
So this S, I don't like this, it's too much. One thing that I can do also is just mark this area like this and then lower it with like a couple of dB, maybe 3 or 4 or something like that. That is going to make it less pronounced. And let's see if that is something that is disturbing.
Farmers can.
Oh, we can always go in and do like this. It's not going to hurt
Farmers can.
Yeah, sounds better. And then the K, we can go and dampen that one just a little bit, like so.
Farmers can. Farmers coming.
So this song is a mix between Swahili, English, and Swedish. It's a lullaby. You can see actually on the waveform here that here is pretty smooth, and then you have this area here where there is a lot more happening in the upper frequencies. So we can go like that, and then we should be pretty clear. Let's check it.
La la to la.
And then of course the T's. Let's fix these. Okay, I was just going to show you a little bit. There's not much more that I'm going to do here. Well, one thing, in the end, I do something. I scroll out like this, right click on the side here, so I get much way lower down in the frequencies. I go Command Shift and then arrow up maximum, so I have maximum resolution. Then I can see all of this much better. Here you have a line exactly at 50 Hertz, and I guess most of you can guess what it is. It's the electric net here. It's 50 Hertz, and that disturbance is there, and the same at 100. It's the I guess it's the octave on it. Her fundamentals are up here. They begin somewhere. So I will go and I'm going to do a low cut, basically something like this. And we can listen to it. You're gonna see that there is not really any information that is need to be saved. There's nothing over voice. I'm going to raise the volume here. I don't know if tiny bits of pops. But nothing from her voice. So I'm not gonna do that now. I do that. The last thing I do is putting on. I call it an adaptive low cut or high pass. I don't know. You choose. I'm going to say goodbye to you guys now, and hope that this was something that you learn. I'm guessing you can do the same thing on RX7 or any similar programs like this, but I really like the Adobe Audition. It's been working fine for me, and now I'm working a lot with the Premiere Pro and a little bit with the After Effects also, so I got the full suite and it's good stuff. Okay, thank you and goodbye and good luck. Bye.